वीडियो सामने आया है। 11 अगस्त का वीडियो है। दो तस्वीरें हमने आपकी टेलीविजन स्क्रीन पर रखी हैं और ये दोनों तस्वीरें विपक्ष की मंशा पर सवाल खड़े करती हैं। पहली तस्वीर आप देखिए, खुद विपक्षी नेताओं के द्वारा ये तस्वीर जारी की गई है। मेज पर चढ़कर, जो ट्रेजरी की मेज है उस पर चढ़कर प्रताप सिंह बाजवा ने किस तरीके से बवाल किया, हंगामा किया और रूल बुक को उठाकर आसन की तरफ फेंक दिया था, जो कि सभापति की मेज के पास जाकर गिरी थी। ये तस्वीर भी सवाल खड़े करता है कि क्या ये संसदीय परंपरा का सम्मान करती ये तस्वीरें हैं। जो विपक्ष आरोप लगा रहा है कि संसदीय परंपरा का सम्मान नहीं किया जा रहा। दूसरी तस्वीर 11 अगस्त की तस्वीर है, जब संसद में हंगामा हुआ। उसी दिन ओबीसी संशोधन विधेयक पास भी हुआ और उसके बाद आप देखिए किस तरीके से महिला मार्शल से बदसलूकी की गई है, धक्का मुक्की की गई है। और इस वक्त प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही है बीजेपी की ओर से। केंद्र सरकार के बड़े मंत्री इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में शामिल हो रहे हैं। पीयूष गोयल को आप तस्वीरों में देख पा रहे हैं। सरकार का पक्ष और संसद के अंदर किस तरीके से हंगामा हुआ, इस पर सरकार का पक्ष रखेंगे देश के सामने।
Settle down, friends. Please settle down. Namaskar, friends, and welcome to this important press conference. My warm welcome to Honorable Minister of Commerce and Industry, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution and Textiles, Shri Piyush Goyal ji. Honorable Minister of Education and Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan ji. Honorable Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, Coal and Mines, Shri Prahlad Joshi ji. Honorable Minister of Minority Affairs, Shri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi ji. Honorable Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Labour and Employment, Shri Bhupendra Yadav ji. Honorable Minister for Information, Broadcasting and Youth Affairs and Sports, Shri Anurag Singh Thakur ji. Honorable Minister of State of Parliamentary Affairs and Culture, Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal ji. Honorable Minister of State of External Affairs and Parliamentary Affairs, Shri V. Muralidharan ji. First, Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting will give his opening remarks. Thereafter, we will continue with the press conference. Over to Honorable Minister, sir.
नमस्कार। मॉनसून सत्र हाल ही में खत्म हुआ, उसके पश्चात आप सबके सामने हम सब लोग आए हैं, जहां देश की जनता इंतजार करती है कि उनसे जुड़े हुए विषयों को सदन में उठाया जाए। वहीं पर विपक्ष ने सड़क से संसद तक सिर्फ अराजकता अराजकता और अराजकता, ये विपक्ष का एकमात्र एजेंडा रहा। न जनता का हित, न टैक्स पेयर के पैसे की फिक्र और न ही संवैधानिक मूल्यों की गरिमा की फिक्र थी इनको। और जो घटा वो बहुत शर्मसार था, निंदनीय था। और ये घड़ियालू आंसू बहाने की बजाय इनको तो देश से माफी मांगनी चाहिए। इसको विस्तार में चर्चा करने के लिए संसदीय कार्य मंत्री आदरणीय प्रहलाद जोशी जी आपके पहले बात रखेंगे, वो माननीय पीयूष जी अपनी बात रखेंगे, हमारे नेता सदन राज्यसभा। लेकिन जिस तरह का काम करने का तरीका या काम में रुकावट बनने का काम विपक्ष ने किया है, उससे उनको देश से माफी मांगनी ही चाहिए। मैं माननीय प्रहलाद जोशी जी से निवेदन करता हूं कि आप सबको संबोधित करें।
Friends, as you all know, yesterday monsoon session of the Parliament was concluded. It is most unfortunate that पहले दिन से ही, even when the all-party meeting was going on, where Honorable Prime Minister attended the meeting and we all were there, from that day itself, that's on 18th, indications were there that we will not allow the house to run. And that was amply made clear. उसको पूरा खुलासा कर दिया टीएमसी वाले ने और कांग्रेस। This session is meant for washout. This was very clear. And at least to acknowledge their sincerity, honesty in one thing, that they came and told us, we are for washout. In spite of that, our senior leaders and myself as Parliamentary Affairs Minister and our leader in Rajya Sabha, Shri Piyush Goyal ji, many a times we had a talk with them, and even on the first day itself, we made them request. हमने एक उनको निवेदन किया कि कम से कम शुरुआत के दिन जो है मंत्रिमंडल का जो रीशफल हुआ था, मंत्री परिषद का मेंबर्स को इंट्रोडक्शन करने के लिए एक अवसर दे दो. इवन दैट वाज नॉट अलाउड. एंड उसके बाद चर्चा हुआ. चर्चा में बीएससी हुआ, दोनों सदनों का बीएससी हुआ. बीएससी में हमारे ऊपर हमको ये डिमांड हमारे सामने स्पीकर के सामने, चेयरमैन के सामने डिमांड रखा गया कि शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन डिस्कशन होना चाहिए. स्वयं चेयरमैन ने अनाउंस किया इकोनॉमिक प्राइस राइज, जो उनका डिमांड था उसको एडमिट किया हूं. कोविड का उनका डिमांड था, दैट वाज आल्सो एक्सेप्टेड इन द बोथ द हाउस. एग्रीकल्चरल का बारे में था, that was also accepted. By and large, all parties, including small, big, and everybody, these were the three major issues on the very first BSc, and that was accepted, that was admitted. And in spite of that, then they started with Pegasus and other things, and suo motu statement was made. I am trying to make out a point that the decision, it was pre-decided by the Congress and its friendly party that we should not allow the parliament to function this time, and we should take it forward for a washout. This was their decision. That's why I am trying to count the chronology of the events. In that, first they did not allow introduction of ministers. Then suo motu statement हमने करा दिया. And clarification, presiding officers allowed the clarification. They did not seek any clarification. बाद में आया, राज्यसभा में हमने चर्चा शुरू करने का कोशिश किया. तो 4 तारीख को, and it is a unanimous resolution of the both the houses during 50th year of 50th year and 60th year, that there should not be disruption, all those things. It's okay, but in spite of all those things, they did not allow even the very important bills to be discussed. Every day we used to request them, these are the bills today, and now they are telling that bills were passed in din. I am not going before 2004, but 2004 to 2014, how many bills they have passed, even media, one of the media report is also there. I am not comparing. At that time, even discussion with the oppositions were not properly held. I was also MP at that time. In one term, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan ji was also there, Anurag ji was also there. Not even discussed, passed in din. The important bill like bifurcation of Andhra was also passed in din. But I don't want to compare with that, but daily we try to them. हर रोज हम बात करने का कोशिश की कि चर्चा करेंगे, लेकिन आज ये बोल रहे हैं और कल भी जो कुछ भी हुआ माननीय पीयूष जी उसके बारे में डिटेल में बताएंगे. 4 तारीख को 6 members were named and they tried to forcibly open the door by breaking the glass. शीशा तोड़ के अंदर आने का कोशिश किया. एक महिला कर्मचारी को घायल हो गए एंड शी हैज गिवन इन राइटिंग दैट मुझे ऐसी घटना में घायल हो गए, एक्शन होना चाहिए. Then, day before yesterday, टेबल के ऊपर चढ़ के, ऐसे तो उस दिन कुछ बिल भी पारित नहीं हो रहा था जी. It was a discussion on farmers. It was not even a bill. It was just discussion. Nothing could have happened. And even when they requested, we don't want to participate in discussion. Myself and Piyush ji, we decided that we should stop our participants, and I told Sri Vijay Pal Tomar, who was speaking on behalf of Bharatiya Janata Party, to stop his speech because they were telling we don't want. Then BJD Prasanna Acharya started speaking, and he spoke for 10 minutes, and they were not ready to wait for 10 minutes, and immediately disruption was started, and some of the MPs, they climbed the table and they are feeling proud themselves. अभी उनको लग रहा है कि हम बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, वो वीडियो शूटिंग करा के ट्वीट करा दिया है. And you see the level of their thinking. Actually, video shooting inside both the chambers, it is not allowed. Even when Parliament is not functioned, at that time also by rule it is not allowed. Even then, video shooting was made as if some they have fought freedom fight like that. They have circulated it. And after that, yesterday, from morning we were requesting them. If you allow the discussion, we don't have any problem. We will run up to Friday. Not only Friday, if you want more discussion, we are ready even on Monday. This with all my responsibility at my command, I am telling, in presence of opposition leaders, myself and Sri Piyush ji, we made an offer. We are ready even up to Monday. Not curtailing. Curtailing का दूर बात है. हमने ये कहा मंडे तक ले जाने के लिए तैयार है. डिस्कशन नहीं करेंगे. तो मैंने बोला आज कम से कम हमारा बिल पारित करने के लिए आप कोऑपरेट करो. We were threatened, saying that if you try to pass the bill, the morning itself we were threatened. I am using the words very carefully. We were threatened, if you try to pass the bill, insurance bill and other bill by evening, after the passage of OBC bill, then more disastrous situation you can see in the evening. What had happened yesterday, that was climbing on the table. More than that, it is going to happen. This was clearly told. In unambiguous term, it was told to us. And now they are talking that bill were passed in din, and महिला मार्शल को, महिला एमपीज को मार्शल ने, मेल मार्शल ने हल्ला करने का कोशिश किया. तो अभी कई मीडिया में भी चल रहा है क्या हुआ है, कैसे मार्शल को, लेडी मार्शल को, ये सब चल रहा है. तो हम तो अब इसमें बात डिटेल में मैं जाना चाहता हूं. और राहुल गांधी जी स्टेटमेंट दिया है, and he has told that all session murder of democracy. उन्होंने क्या क्या किया, उन पार्टी ने क्या किया, लोकसभा में, राज्यसभा में कैसे उनका व्यवहार था, ये सब देश देख रही है. I demand, if they have little sense of responsibility and democracy, they should apologize to the country. And also, we demand, Chairman, that there should be a strict action on them, and this should not be repeated. Whichever party may be ruling, this should not be done. And people who are teaching us the lesson what is happening in West Bengal, what is happening in other states, they are not even running the house. In one day, in Rajasthan, 13 bills were passed in 1 hour. This is the situation in the country. And even today, government is ready to listen to their constructive suggestions, and Parliament is for the debate. And basic duty of the Parliament is legislation. And a new story is trying to be built up now, that is, you are just passing the bills. Bill is not government and discussion is not of opposition. Both belongs to opposition and government. Whenever a bill comes, it is for the welfare of the people. If you have got suggestion, you should make it with us. Instead, they are telling you are only passing bill. The basic duty of the parliament is to pass the bill, and we tried our level best to convince them. Detail, Shri Piyush ji will address. I would only like to tell, even after 7.5 years, that is in 2014 and in 2019, they are not ready to digest the people's mandate. Especially Congress feel that ये हमारा सीट था, ये मोदी जी आके छीन लिया. This is our birthright. Because of this mentality, these things are happening. I strongly condemn their behavior, and I also demand the action against the people who have climbed the table and who have tried to manhandle marshals, and there should be strict action, and action should be such that nobody should dare to do such action in future. Thank you. Now,
धन्यवाद प्रहलाद जी. जैसा माननीय प्रहलाद जी